All right, went shopping again this weekend, and got some more things. I spent $188 this time, including what I got last weekend. That's $500, but look what I got. Got a real good deal on the Wacky Tobacco, so offer I couldn't refuse. $60, and also a what do they call that? A Flash Bang. Those willows are excellent in this. This is the Big Bore. It's like it's about 1.5 inches, inch and a quarter, maybe something like that. Those things are it's big, and got a good deal on that. And then Mastermind by Pyro King. Did I get it right this time? Yeah, Pyro King. See, look. Performance. Oh. This is basically a mine cake. Very cool. And had to get more of these guys. I'm going to be doing a demo sometime. Got another stack of them. And like I was promising myself, I should have got 4 packs of them. Well, I only got 3 last time, but I got 4 this time. And grabbed 4 of these Link Triad 2-ounce rockets and the 8-ounce rockets by Blast Wave. I almost did it again, but anyway, Blast Wave. Got it right this time. Didn't have my glasses last time. Blast Wave. I memorized it. Almost. Anyway, yeah, that's cool. $188 for all this.